Hi dears, welcome. Today I will talk you about the mobile phone technology. Dear friends, mobile phone technology in 2019, what is the difference between of mobile phone technology? First of all, we discuss the history of mobile phone. Mobile phone when the fat through 1917 were and most were the engaged in cars. Within the late 20th century, technology improved, thus folks make cards. The phone is simply. Dr. Martin Cropper, the Motorola created the primary design employing a mobile phone in 1973. It did not use the short circular mobile network that we learn to use nowadays. The first mobile phone network were created within the late 1917 in Japan country. Recently, most urban area and lots of country areas square major line by mobile network. What is mobile phone in 2019? The mobile phone is a wireless device. The main purpose is connecting to any people and any place, anytime without any issue. At the time when the first mobile phone launched in market, mobile phone has only one function, just send and receive call. The late mobile phone make a global network system GSM. This system help people to send and receive the text message. At the passing of time, more feature added in a device like a multimedia message system. After the services, mobile phone is very smart function and shape both develop. If we compare the start time of the mobile phone and current time mobile phone, we are very impressed 2019 technology. It is very fast technology. Every mobile phone company working to promote day by day our technology system and passing, so technology is very fast. What is the mobile phone technology? A telephone company's technology, primary phone, radio and PC, most even have the camera within. Cell phone work as a two-way radius. They send magnetic attraction microwaves from the button station, the base station. The wave square measure the through antenna. This can know as a wireless communication. Earlier called telephone use a long network. They become rare late within the 20th century phone digital network. The first digital network called the second generation or 2G technology. The most famous digital network GSM global system of mobile communication. It's used the primary Europe and Asia where the CDMA code division multiple access network square measure the primary utilization North America. The discussion is within the communication protocol. Alternative countries like Japan have the completely different the 2G protocols. A number of 2G network square is still used. 3G is an the additional common and plenty place of having the 4G. The radio waves of a movable network use a square measure spelled into completely different frequencies. The frequency as a measure is cycle second. Low frequency will send a single further. Higher frequency give higher connection and therefore the voice communication square measure the unusually clear. 4 main frequency square measure and around the world 850, 900, 1800 and 1900 megacycle. Europe use 900 and 1800 megacycles and North America use 850 and 1900 megacycles. Today there is square measures. Mobile phone the employment is 2 or 3 or 4 frequencies. The most famous advanced phone work the frequency. They are now the world phone and may use all over. In this picture you are show the mobile phone technology comparison. Now the first phone, second generation and today you use a smartphone system. What is smartphone? A majority of latest mobile phone is a 21st century area unit smartphone. These phones are unit that easily with computers. Beside the job tally, use the email, browsing and net enjoying the music and games, a lot of alternative function that computers will perform. Most smartphones run as the standard mobile software packages. This developer that create the mobile app, employment, and many alternative phone while not having the ultra cold simple of smartphone embody Apple iPhone which they use iOS softwares and Samsung Galaxy series and several phones that use the mechanical main platform created by Google like a Google Play. Android phone. Mobile phone cover. This is a very important topic, the mobile phone cover. After making a smartphone, nowadays we are looking the mobile phone cover, different types, different shades, protector, and so we are discussing case mobile phone cover. Case mean यानी कि mobile phone cover and case, the area design is connecting to support otherwise hold a smartphone and until well like accessories. Some have a keyboard, embroidered case, measures and until the supported the show inches 5 and display. The area unit completely different types, procedures and sleeves, hostlets, shells, skins, bumpers, flip case and wallets, leather case, screen protectors and body films. In the 21st century, we are replacement the style to protocol referred as a smartphone become a well like the additional flux area and vacuumization smartphone then the recent responsible portable that area until refer a future phone covers. Hostlets area where the ordinary used to alarm the devices the embody reprise artifact and area is until product of plastic will not be exposed regions come serious duty case or until designed to shield from drops and scratches. Thanks for watching for my video.